In a significant diplomatic move, U.S. Secretary of State Antony Blinken has urged nations to counter growing military ties between Russia and Iran. The collaboration between the two countries is particularly concerning due to Iran's provision of drones and missiles to aid Russia's war efforts in Ukraine. This development signals escalating tensions and the deepening alliance between Russia and Iran amid the ongoing conflict. In this video, we'll showcase the latest combat drones and AI robots from the US, ready to confront Russia and Iran if necessary. The Ghost X has been chosen by the US Army for its company-level SUAS-directed requirement, a pivotal decision reflecting the evolving landscape of unmanned aerial systems. Developed by Anduril Industries, Ghost X builds upon the capabilities of its predecessor, Ghost, with enhanced versatility and adaptability for complex military operations. Ghost X is designed to meet the U.S. Army's demand for a lightweight, modular, and rapidly deployable UAS. It features a plug-and-play payload system that enables it to switch between different mission profiles, such as surveillance, reconnaissance, target acquisition, and even limited strike capabilities. One of the standout features of Ghost X is its multi-mission capability, including real-time intelligence gathering, threat detection, and tactical reconnaissance. This makes it suitable for a variety of operations, from counterinsurgency to large-scale conventional warfare. The system also has a high degree of autonomy, allowing it to operate with minimal human intervention, thus freeing up personnel for other critical tasks. Ghost X's versatility extends to its launch and recovery systems, enabling it to be deployed from various platforms, including ground vehicles and naval vessels. This flexibility is critical for modern military operations, where the ability to adapt to different environments and mission requirements is key to success. Meet the XQ-58A Valkyrie, an advanced AI fighter jet that is capable of performing complex operations with remarkable efficiency. This cutting-edge aircraft can engage in air combat autonomously, managing intricate tasks without human intervention. Recent test flights took place at the prestigious U.S. Air Force Test Pilot School in California, where these AI systems were put to the test against experienced human pilots in a challenging environment. The AI-controlled jets have demonstrated superior reaction times and exceptional maneuverability, frequently outperforming human pilots in simulated dogfights. These sophisticated AI systems enhance situational awareness and improve tactical decision-making by utilizing machine learning algorithms and real-time data analysis. Back in 2020, similar technological advancements were achieved, although they were confined to a simulated environment. Human pilots reported that AI jets executed unexpected and highly effective maneuvers, providing critical insights that are invaluable for further technological development and refinement. Another intriguing innovation from Anduril is the high-speed autonomous drone Roadrunner. This new development can assess potential threats, intercept, and destroy enemy flying objects. Equipped with dual turbojet engines, the Roadrunner can reach near supersonic speeds of approximately 700 miles per hour. It launches vertically from a climate-controlled nest, allowing it to operate for months in harsh field conditions. Squadrons of Roadrunners can be deployed to evaluate threats detected by radar or humans. If the threat is real, the Roadrunner, armed with a warhead, can intercept and destroy it, sacrificing itself in the process. However, if the threat is a false alarm, the drone can return to base, landing vertically on its tail. Despite its self-destructive capability, the Roadrunner is designed to be reusable, which partially justifies its cost of a few $1,000s per unit. The MH-139 Grey Wolf is the U.S. Air Force's latest addition to its rotary wing fleet, developed as a replacement for the aging UH-1N Huey. Designed by Boeing and Leonardo, this helicopter is built on the proven platform of the AW-139, a highly reliable and versatile helicopter that has been in service globally in various civilian and military roles. The Grey Wolf boasts a range of improvements over its predecessor, including a 50% increase in speed, payload, and range. This gives the helicopter a far greater operational capability, allowing it to cover more ground, carry more personnel or equipment, and stay airborne longer than the UH-1N. One of the standout features of the Grey Wolf is its advanced avionics suite, which provides enhanced situational awareness for the crew. The helicopter is equipped with state-of-the-art navigation, communication, and defensive systems, allowing it to operate in complex, contested environments. It is equipped with advanced threat detection and countermeasure systems, allowing it to evade or neutralize threats such as surface-to-air missiles and small arms fire. This makes the Grey Wolf an ideal platform for operations in hostile environments, where the risk of enemy engagement is high. The Vapor 55 is a cutting-edge helicopter drone designed for versatility in both military and civilian applications. Developed by AeroVironment, a prominent American defense contractor, the Vapor 55 is engineered to handle a variety of tasks, such as infrastructure inspection, aerial photography, public safety, and defense missions. Its design emphasizes payload flexibility and endurance, making it ideal for different operational environments. One of the key features of the Vapor 55 is its payload capacity, which can carry up to 22 pounds of equipment. The drone has a maximum flight duration of 70 minutes, ensuring that it can cover substantial areas during each deployment. In military applications, it can operate at an increased takeoff weight of 65 pounds, enabling it to carry more advanced or heavier equipment, depending on mission requirements. In addition to its payload and endurance capabilities, the Vapor 55 is equipped with advanced navigation and control systems. Operators can choose between automatic or manual control using a GPS-equipped ground control station. For defense purposes, the Vapor 55 offers tactical advantages such as surveillance, reconnaissance, and target acquisition. The UAV's helicopter-style design is well suited for vertical takeoff and landing, meaning it can be deployed in environments with limited space for runway operations. Another drone developed by AeroVironment is the Switchblade 300. The Switchblade is a pioneering loitering munition, often referred to as a kamikaze drone, due to its unique design and operational capabilities. The Switchblade is designed for precision strikes against light armored vehicles, personnel, and other small targets. One of its key features is its portability and ease of use. Weighing just 2.5 kilograms, the Switchblade can be carried in a backpack and deployed by a single soldier, making it an invaluable tool for infantry units operating in the field. The drone is launched from a tube, similar to a mortar, and can be deployed within minutes, providing immediate firepower without the need for traditional artillery or air support. Once airborne, the Switchblade is capable of loitering over the battlefield, waiting for the right moment to strike. It is equipped with a high-resolution electro-optical and infrared camera that provides real-time video feed to the operator, allowing for precise target identification and engagement. The combination of the F-35C Lightning II and the AGM-158C long-range anti-ship missile represents a significant advancement in naval strike capabilities. The F-35C, with its stealth technology and advanced avionics, is the U.S. Navy's first carrier-based stealth fighter, designed for strike missions against heavily defended targets. When paired with the LASRM, it gains a powerful tool for neutralizing enemy naval assets from long distances, significantly increasing the Navy's operational reach. The AGM-158C is an AI-enabled cruise missile developed by Lockheed Martin. It is designed to autonomously identify and strike enemy warships while evading advanced air defense systems. What sets the LASRM apart is its ability to operate independently, coordinating with other LASRMs to identify and assign targets. Once a target is identified, the LASRM uses its advanced guidance system to strike the most vulnerable part of the ship, delivering a 1,000-pound warhead with devastating accuracy. Its low radar cross-section and ability to fly at low altitudes make it difficult for enemy ships to detect and intercept, increasing the likelihood of a successful strike. The integration of the LASRM with the F-35C enhances the Navy's ability to project power across the globe. The M10 Booker is a new armored vehicle developed by the U.S. Army for reconnaissance, surveillance, and target acquisition missions. Unlike traditional main battle tanks, the M10 Booker is designed for light and agile operations, providing enhanced mobility while maintaining significant firepower and protection. This makes it particularly well suited for modern combat environments, where speed and adaptability are crucial. One of the M10 Booker's key features is its sensor suite, which allows it to gather real-time intelligence on enemy movements and battlefield conditions. These sensors provide the crew with a 360-degree view of the surrounding area, enabling them to identify threats and potential targets more effectively. The M10 Booker's firepower is centered around a 105mm cannon, capable of engaging both armored and soft targets at long ranges. In addition to the main gun, the vehicle is armed with a coaxial machine gun and an optional remote-controlled weapon station. The B-21 Raider is the U.S. Air Force's next-generation stealth bomber, poised to replace the aging fleet of B-2 Spirits and B-52 Stratofortresses. Developed by Northrop Grumman, the B-21 is a pivotal element in America's future air power, designed to conduct both conventional and nuclear strikes. Its cutting-edge stealth capabilities enable it to penetrate advanced, heavily defended airspaces, making it highly effective against sophisticated enemy air defense systems. As a dual-capable aircraft, the B-21 is equipped to deliver a wide range of munitions, including precision-guided conventional bombs and nuclear warheads. Moreover, its ability to deploy both types of weapons from a stealth platform ensures that the B-21 can remain effective in both limited conflicts and full-scale wars, deterring aggression across multiple theaters. The Raider also incorporates advances in avionics, communications, and sensor technologies, allowing it to operate in highly contested environments while maintaining superior situational awareness. The Ghost drone by Anduril Industries represents a significant leap in autonomous military technology. Anduril, an American defense technology company founded by Palmer Luckey, has designed the Ghost drone as a cutting-edge, stealthy, and highly versatile unmanned aerial vehicle. This drone is specifically engineered for intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance missions, providing real-time situational awareness to military forces on the ground. One of the standout features of the Ghost drone is its advanced autonomous capabilities. It is equipped with powerful artificial intelligence systems that enable it to operate with minimal human intervention. This includes autonomous navigation, target acquisition, and data processing, which allows the drone to adapt to changing mission parameters in real time. The Ghost drone is designed with a low radar cross-section, making it difficult to detect and track by enemy radar systems. This stealth capability is crucial for conducting operations in contested environments where maintaining a low profile is essential. The drone's design also emphasizes endurance and versatility, with the ability to operate in a variety of terrains and weather conditions. The M1A2 SEPV-3 Abrams is the latest variant of the U.S. Army's iconic main battle tank, representing the most advanced iteration of the Abrams platform. The SEPV-3 introduces a range of enhancements aimed at improving the tank's survivability, lethality, and sustainability on modern battlefields. One of the most significant upgrades is in the area of survivability. The SEPV-3 is equipped with advanced modular armor that provides improved protection against kinetic energy threats, such as anti-tank missiles and projectiles. It also includes active protection systems, like the Trophy system, designed to detect and intercept incoming threats, adding an additional layer of defense. In terms of lethality, the M1A2 boasts a new 120mm smoothbore cannon with improved firepower, capable of firing advanced munitions that can penetrate modern enemy armor. The SEPV-3 is integrated with cutting-edge battlefield management systems, enabling real-time data sharing with other units and command centers. This connectivity enhances situational awareness, allowing for more coordinated and efficient battlefield operations. Gambit 5 is a cutting-edge unmanned aerial vehicle concept designed to provide advanced surveillance and reconnaissance capabilities for modern military operations. This drone, developed with a focus on ISR missions, represents the future of unmanned systems with its innovative features and capabilities. The Gambit 5 is characterized by its stealthy design, high endurance, and advanced sensor suite, which together enable it to perform extended operations in hostile environments without being detected. One of the key aspects of the Gambit 5 is its integration of AI and machine learning algorithms, allowing it to process data in real time and make autonomous decisions based on mission parameters. Furthermore, the Gambit 5 is equipped with a modular payload bay that can be customized with various sensors, cameras, and electronic warfare systems, making it highly adaptable to a wide range of missions, from border patrol to deep reconnaissance in contested airspaces. Thanks for watching, and make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and put notifications on to stay updated on everything related to AI and robotics.